Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to sell your own merch but skip the inventory headaches? In this video, I will show you how to set up Printful with your Wix website so you can launch a customer product store and Printful takes care of printing, packing and shipping. First of all, what you need. Before we start, here's what you need: a Wix website, business plan required to accept payments, a Printful account free to sign up, a product idea like t-shirts, mugs, hats, or posters. Let's connect the two platforms first. First of all, open your web browser, search for Printful. And log into your Printful account with your login credentials. Click sign in and enter your email and password. Or if you are a new user, just click Google, Apple or Facebook account. You can log in with this account. So be careful. Now, when you are in, go to Stores tab from the left sidebar. Choose Wix from here. Click want to increase or click choose platform. Now select Wix, then click connect. You will be redirected to Wix. Install the Printful app from the Wix app market and give it permission to connect to your store. Okay, or follow the instruction like create your Wix account. First of all, go to wix.com. Then log into your account. Now go to app market from your Wix website. Go to app market from your dashboard. Wait a minute. Open a site first of all. Click design site. Now, once you are in, from the left sidebar, you can see the four dot option called app market or add apps section. Now search for Printful. Then select it. From Printful's dashboard, click add to site. Then click agree and add. From here, you can select the connect to Wix. Then follow the prompts. Then now click add product and browse categories. Let's say we want to sell custom fish. Let's say we want to sell custom teas. Use Printful's product editor to upload your design or create one on the spot. You can customize placement, color, and even add designs to slips or back. Now choose your now choose one product from here, like car magnet. You can search from here, then enter your design. Then continue. Then got it. You can click continue. Now select one, create your own. Then add mockups like this. Then go to details, after that pricing section. Then set your price, colors, etc. Head back to Wix and you will see your product here. You can add product from Wix store when you install the Printful app. It looks just like any other e-commerce product, and customers won't even know it's print on demand. Here's how it works. When a customer places an order on your website, Printful automatically receives it, prints the item, and ships it, all under your brand. You can track orders, view shipping information, and update your customer right from Printful's dashboard. And that's it. Your Wix store is now a fully functional print-on-demand business using Printful. First of all, create account, both website and install the Printful app from Wix app store. Then add product, and that's it. So if this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creator tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a full walkthrough on designing viral t-shirt ideas. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.